Welcome to the world of wildlife. From majestic animals like lions, tigers and bears to the smallest of creatures like spiders, insects and birds, we will give you an up-close and personal look at some of Earth's most fascinating creatures. Explore their daily lives and habits as they go about their day-to-day activities in various habitats across the globe. Be prepared to be awestruck by the beauty of nature as we explore the wild side of life. Along with being able to observe these animals in action, we'll also learn interesting facts about them that you may not have known before. Get ready for an unforgettable journey into their captivating world of sights and sounds. From the rainforest to the jungle and everywhere in between, explore a natural environment where color, beauty and diversity thrive. You will get an intimate look at some of the most awe-inspiring animals on the planet. You'll witness their fascinating interaction with each other, as well as their struggle for survival in a never-changing environment. A herd of wild horses graze on a green pasture. Horses are herbivores with a digestive system adapted to a forage diet of grasses and other plant material, consumed steadily throughout the day. Therefore, compared to humans, they have a relatively small stomach but very long intestines to facilitate a steady flow of nutrients. A 450 kg horse will eat 7 to 11 kg of food per day and, under normal use, drink 38 to 45 liters of water. Zebras may travel or migrate to wetter areas during the dry season. Plains zebras have been recorded traveling 500 kilometers between Namibia and Botswana, the longest land migration of mammals in Africa. When migrating, they appear to rely on some memory of the locations where foraging conditions were best and may predict conditions months after their arrival. White rhinos are found in grassland and savanna habitat. Herbivore grazers that eat grass, preferring the shortest grains. The white rhinoceros is one of the largest pure grazers. It drinks twice a day if water is available, but if conditions are dry it can live 4 or 5 days without water. It spends about half of the day eating, 1/3 resting, and the rest of the day doing various other things. White rhinos, like all species of rhinoceros, love wallowing in mud holes to cool down. The white rhinoceros is thought to have changed the structure and ecology of the savanna's grasslands. Comparatively, based on studies of the African elephant, scientists believe the white rhino is a driving factor in its ecosystem. The destruction of the mega herbivore could have serious cascading effects on the ecosystem and harm other animals. White rhinos produce sounds which include a panting contact call, grunts and snorts during courtship, squeals of distress, and deep bellows or growls when threatened. Threat displays in males mostly include wiping its horn on the ground and a head-low posture with ears back, combined with snarl threats and shrieking if attacked. The vocalizations of the two species differ between each other, and the panting contact calls between individual white rhinos in each species can vary as well. The differences in these calls aid the white rhinos in identifying each other and communicating over long distances. The white rhinoceros is quick and agile and can run 50 km per hour. White rhinos live in crashes or herds of up to 14 animals, usually mostly female. Subadult bulls will congregate, often in association with an adult cow. Most adult bulls are solitary. Dominant bulls mark their territory with excrement and urine. The dung is laid in well-defined piles. It may have 20 to 30 of these piles to alert passing white rhinos that it is his territory. As the day begins in the jungle, a tiger starts its lazily, full and satisfied with yesterday's hunt.
The diet of red colobus monkeys consists mainly of young leaves, flowers, and unripe fruit. They are also known to eat charcoal or clay to help combat the cyanide some leaves may contain. This medicinal cure for the plants they eat appears to be passed on from mother to child.
All penguins are countershaded for camouflage, that is, they have black backs and wings with white fronts. A predator looking up from below, such as an orca or a leopard seal, has difficulty distinguishing between a white penguin belly and the reflective water surface. The dark plumage on their backs camouflages them from above. Chameleons' eyes are independently mobile, and because of this there are two separate, individual images that the brain is analyzing of the chameleon's environment. When hunting prey, they focus forward in coordination, affording the animal stereoscopic vision. Chameleons are adapted for climbing and visual hunting. The use of their prehensile tail offers stability when they are moving or resting while on a branch in the canopy. Because of this, their tail is often referred to as a fifth limb. A giraffe's coat has dark blotches or patches, which can be orange, chestnut, brown, or nearly black, surrounded by light hair, usually white or cream-colored. Male giraffes become darker as they grow old. The coat pattern has been claimed to serve as camouflage in the light and shade patterns of savanna woodlands. When standing among trees and bushes, they are hard to see at even a few meters distance. However, adult giraffes move about to gain the best view of an approaching predator, relying on their size and ability to defend themselves rather than on camouflage, which may be more important for calves. With eyes located on the sides of the head, the giraffe has a broad visual field from its great height. Compared to other ungulates, giraffe vision is more binocular and the eyes are larger with a greater retinal surface area. Giraffes may see in color and their senses of hearing and smell are sharp. The ears are movable and the nostrils are slit-shaped, possibly to withstand blowing sand. Giraffes browse on the twigs of trees, preferring those of the subfamily Acaceae and the genera Commiphora and Terminalia, which are important sources of calcium and protein to sustain the giraffe's growth rate. They also feed on shrubs, grass and fruit. A giraffe eats around 34 kilograms plant matter daily. When stressed, giraffes may chew on large branches, stripping them of bark. Giraffes are also recorded to chew old bones. Groups of red colobus monkeys often establish a dominance hierarchy determined by aggressive behavior. Food, grooming, and sexual partners are distributed amongst higher-ranking individuals initially, followed by lower-ranking individuals. They live in large troops which can number up to 80 individuals, the average being somewhere around 20 to 40 monkeys. These groups tend to have more females than males at a 2:1 ratio.
In the next episode, be ready to be captivated by the beauty of breathtaking landscapes that span continents, view stunning vistas that stretch as far as the eye can see, and uncover hidden wonderlands underneath the surface of lakes and oceans. Embark on a journey through rugged mountains and bustling cities, where wildlife has adapted to live alongside humans, on this mesmerizing adventure into nature's realm.